A lot of fun questions for you.
Yes.
Are you ready for some fun questions? Because
Yeah.
this is a segment called Confessions. Okay, here we go, guys. It's Confessions time with Harshvardhan on Just Too Filmy. Ever been in a doomed love story like Inder was?
Yeah,
Oh, no.
of course.
Good looking लड़कों के साथ भी होता है क्या ऐसे?
One was with my mom, one was with my father, and then, of course, with a girl. Doom love story can be with anything.
Correct, absolutely.
With your house, with
Absolutely.
your pet.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. What is the one thing that you've done for love that was totally crazy?
I'm doing it right now.
Which is?
As we speak, as in it's, yeah.
Are you पढ़ाई कर रहे हो?
That I can't reveal.
कोई बात नहीं. कोई बात नहीं. Ever ghosted someone for a really petty reason? Or ever ghosted
Ghosted,
someone?
of course, I have ghosted. Yeah, 100%. Because 100%. Because initially, even now, sometimes I fail to convey. So convey नहीं कर सकते तो best तरीका बचपन में लगता था कि भागो.
हाँ.
So मैं घर से भी ऐसे ही भागा था because I ghosted on my parents because I could not explain to them the void and the craving for this profession. अब मेरे पास language नहीं थी. कैसे convey करते हैं? Language से करते हैं या action से करते हैं? ना language थी, ना experience था. तो मैं भाग गया. And that's ghosting.
That is
So,
ghosting.
yeah, काफी बार. और कुछ दोस्त भी थे who I could have salvaged it, but I had to ghost them because मेरे पास वो language नहीं थी उनको समझाने की.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
I've done
I
that.
hope you're working on that.
Yeah, now I'm really
Yeah.
developing a language, strong language. Yes.
That'll be great.
Yes.
What is the thing about the industry or Mumbai that really gets you? And sometimes physically you feel sick, you know. Is there anything that gets you sick about the city, the industry that you don't like?
About the industry, I think जहाँ जो चाय बनती है उसमें दूध बहुत ज़्यादा होता है मुझे.
That's true.
मुझे लगता है कि दूध थोड़ा कम डालेंगे ना बहुत ही चाय बन सकती है. Apart from that, I think मैं 10 दिन से ज़्यादा रहता भी नहीं हूँ मुंबई में.
So you stay
my
away.
staff is very happy. उनको पता है पागल है भाग जाएगा 10-12 दिन में. So खुश रहते हैं वो लोग.
That's hilarious. What is the one role that you might have given up that you perhaps regret, or it didn't come to you that you really regret?
Regret तो नहीं किया कभी भी. या तो मैं अपने आप को समझा ऐसे लेता हूँ कि हाँ ठीक है ना, तो क्या मुझे तो नहीं करना था.
अगर हो तो अच्छा, ना हो तो और भी अच्छा.
हो भी तो मैं अपने आप को ऐसे मैंने शायद ऐसे कन्विंस कर लिया है 1-2 बार.
ठीक है. Ever slid into anybody's DMs?
नेवर एवर. ये जो इंटरव्यू सुन रहा है, आई कैन चैलेंज ऑल ऑफ यू. इंडिया में तो क्या, एशिया में भी और बाहर किसी को मैंने किया होगा तो अपने दोस्त के लिए किसी लड़के को मैंने किया होगा कि माय फ्रेंड इज अ बिग फैन, प्लीज रिप्लाई. नो रिप्लाई.
So sweet, so sweet. Do you respond to every DM or do you see them or do you not?
So I respond to humanly जिनको भी possible है. I try and do my best, लेकिन फिर भी I fall short. For sure.
That's sweet. If there was a scandal that came out about you, what do you think it would be and why?
Scandal actually बचपन से मुझे आदत पड़ गई है to train myself to not react. क्योंकि जब मैं घर से भागा था तो सबने बहुत सारी थियरीज बनाई थी कि अरे इसके बाल लंबे हैं, ये ज़रूर नशा करता होगा, अरे ये ज़रूर किसी लड़की के चक्कर में क्या होगा. So I have gone through theories forever, and even now when I say something, usually people they tend to नहीं, because now I'm studying about it, so मुझे ये बुरा भी नहीं लग रहा है कि it is actually making a schema. Schema is a concept. Schema is basically a idea that you build about something. It's a mental structure. So if I make a schema that Rohini is a kind person, I have made a concept about you
Already.
हाँ. So that is why we do that, because every time I don't want to find out or go through a cognition ki how is Rohini
Correct.
as a person. So I just want to put a word to Rohini.
Correct.
And that's what people do. So it's not their fault. Judgment is
Inevitable.
it's inevitable, absolutely. So I'm absolutely fine with it.